Hi guys! Welcome back to another Vietnam episode. Today is day 5 of our Da Nang trip, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Shenna and I'm traveling with my husband RJ. Da Nang Mikey Beach. Good morning guys! It's our day 5 here in Da Nang, Vietnam. This is my outfit for today. Milk tea with egg cream, and this one is the egg cream coffee. Ang sarap! Yung ano naman guys, milk tea with egg cream. Ang creamy niya, no? Ay, sorry. Ubus ko na. I'm not even kidding when I say this is one of the best cups of coffee I've ever had. I know I can be a little OA or dramatic whenever I talk about coffee, but if you know me, I genuinely love coffees. And I also love the cafe itself because it has this cozy vintage feel, and it almost feels like an old house that was transformed into a cafe. And they even have this little corner where they have this Moroccan inspired stairs that's perfect for photos. Dito, ay ba to? May nakita kaming castle, oh. Ay, hotel pala. Yan, oh. Parang castle. Ganda.
Vlog takeover guys. Dito na kami sa Da Nang Beach. Yan. Ito daw yung Miami Beach ng Southeast Asia. Hotel dito. Ayan. Ano to? Lakasan lang ng loob tumawid. Oh, wait lang. Huwag kayo sa gitna. Nakabito kayo kuya. Mangyari dito, kuha-kuha yung plate number nyo. Charot. Kumakses. Tayo.
After our first coffee stop, we walked through Da Nang Beach, and honestly, ang peaceful lang ng vibe dito. This is one of those days na ma-appreciate mo din talaga yung mga ganitong slow moments and i-enjoy lang yung view. Guys, ang ganda ng Mikey Beach. Maraming mga hotels and cafes dun sa harap ng mismong beach. So, picture-picture lang muna tayo and enjoy natin yung view. Kahit mainit. We're here! Alam nyo guys, pag nagbablog ako dito sa ibang bansa, parang mas comfortable ako. Dito, tingnan mo. Parang hindi nila ako pinapansin, di ba?
Da Nang Beach.
Hey guys, nakaupo lang kami dito sa Maike Beach. Supposed to be guys, pupunta dapat kami sa Linong Pagoda ngayon. Tapos pupunta kami sa Sontra Marina, yung parang Greek style na cafe. Pero hindi na kami tumuloy kasi parang pagod na ako. Kasi di ba parang ilang days na kaming maraming pinupuntahan, sunod-sunod siya. Yung pinag-check-inan pala namin is malapit siya sa Maike Beach. Pwede tong lakarin eh, from our Airbnb. Yung grab namin from the Airbnb papunta dun sa Kuango Cafe kanina, 30 VND lang. So, 60 plus pesos. Bali, yun daw yung base rate nila, di ba? Dalawa yung option dito kung saan mo gustong mag-check-in. Pwede dito, malapit sa Maike Beach. Tapos, pwede rin dun sa City Center. Tapos, yun yung malapit, guys, sa Han River. Tapos, ito naman, pinag-check-inan namin malapit sa Maike Beach.
For lunch, we finally got to try Antoy. We actually came here the day before because it's Michelin recommended, but the line was so long, we decided to come back another day. And thankfully, we arrived a little earlier today, so we were like one of the first in line.
Patubig sila. Thank you. To got some fans. Kasi mainit daw. Xin chào, xin chào. Hello, xin chào. Mag-i-scan daw dito. We ordered this one, buncha combo and beef tendon for 159 BNT. 5% na service fee. So, nung in-scan ko siya guys, nandito na. So, yan. 368 yung aming total bill.
So one thing that really surprised me about Danang is how many amazing restaurants there are.
Beef tendon po.
It's honestly so hard to choose where to eat kasi almost all of the restaurants has over 4.5 stars on Google. But of course, we wanted to try some of the Michelin recommended spots. So that's why we're here, and this was definitely one in our list.
This is the buncha combo. Parang may meatballs, soup, tapos ito yung fried spring roll and the fried rice noodles. Yup. Buncha combo guys. Let's try! Baka naman ilalagay ganyan, no? Na kami kumain sa Antoy. Ang sarap! Grabe! Favorite ko yung beef tendon po nila. Ang lambot ng tendon. Guys, we're here. Caro Cafe. Can I have salted coffee? Yeah. This is the salt coffee, no? Salt coffee and coconut matcha. Coconut matcha ba? Wow! Amazing.
And one thing I really fallen in love with in Vietnam is the cafe culture. Every cafe, I think, has its own style and personality, and I feel like there's always a new place waiting to be discovered. Share ko lang guys, si RJ kasi hindi naman siya umiinom ng coffee. Every time na nagko-coffee ako, siya naman nag-try ng mga iba't ibang non-coffee drinks, and I-enjoy din niya yung cafe hopping namin.
Hey guys, good afternoon. So we are going to have our massage this afternoon. May pupuntahan lang kami na spa malapit dito sa Airbnb. See you there. It's a rainy afternoon here in Danang. Kanina pa umuulan nung umuwi kami. Tapos parang ngayon lang siya tumigil pero parang makulimlim pa rin.
Sama.
Grabe, nakadalawang kape na ako ngayong araw pero parang gusto ko pa rin. Ang sarap kasi nung yung coconut coffee nila. So guys, matagal ko na kasing plano na magpa-massage. Perfect na yun kasi 'di ba pagod kami sa mga pinuntahan namin. 4.9 yung rating niya sa Google. And yung mga nag-review parang 6,000 plus. At the ganaps here. Ay, ang ganda. This is the front view. Muon Spa. Hi, Shakir. Guys. Says
Full body.
full body, 645. Meron din silang 60 minutes.
Parang ang nagsasagot sa exam. Decided ako kung half or Thai eh. Hindi ako sasagot. Confirm. Isang grapes.
Grapes.
Pero hindi siyang tamis.
Pipili pa tayo ng amoy for the massage oil. Ang bango. Ilang ilaw. Parang wala ka.
Sabi mo. Ah.
All good. Bye! Muon Spa. Sarap, grabe. Meron kaming pinil-upan na questionnaire. Lilista mo doon kung ano yung mga focus areas na gusto mong ipamassage. Yung sa akin, pinili ko yung upper back, yung calves, tsaka yung head. Ilang beses nilang i-check na kung okay ka. Di ba? 10 beses yata. Highly recommended, guys. Promise. No, highly recommended sa'yo. Hindi pala sila tumatanggap ng tip. Di ba? Oo, cash only rin sila. So, i-prepare nyo na lang yung cash nyo. So, ang ganda. Buhay na buhay pa din siya kahit gabi. Hindi ka mauubusan ng options.
Okay na rin, tara.
Parang ang dami. Uy, may shop pala ako dito, guys. Oo. Style ko daw to. It's a sign na dapat bibili ako. Charot.
And that's how we ended our day here in Danang. We were originally thinking of going to try another restaurant, but we ended up having our bani here in Sunny. So it was exactly what we were looking for. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining us on another day here in Danang, and I'll see you guys in the next Vietnam episode.